Yes, I have my own apartment now. Thank you, Kadapi. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Hammerlane. Thank you. Yes, Pinay Hiker, mayroon na po akong apartment. Away na po ako. Ito na po yung sinasabi ng aking mga anak na, Mami, I'm happy for you. Nobody will abuse you no more, Ma'am. Nobody will hurting you. And we are proud of you, Ma'am, that you are already have your own place. So, stay where you are, and we are here for you to support you, Ma'am. And sorry that you've been through a lot. So my two kids is happy. One already came and sleep overnight here in my new place.